Hello, hello, speakers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Remember the Karims? Now they are retired, and more than 20 years have passed by. One Sunday morning, they found this photo album with all their memories. They started opening it and saw Laila, their oldest girl. Then they found a picture of Omar on his first day of school. They keep on passing pages, and now they have found Amira and Adam, the twins that were not even born when that house was bought. Do you want to know the rest of the story? Let's go. The final pages are full of sunshine. Amira and Adam, the twins, are smiling on a sandy beach, their tiny hands holding colorful buckets. The photo was taken during their first family vacation after the twins were born. A much-needed break, remember? With all this excitement, but also nervousness and stress of moving to a new house. So now they are born, they decided to take vacation. And this picture shows that summer, the ocean sparkling brightly and the breeze blowing softly against their faces. The twins built sandcastles carefully, helping each other as if they already knew what teamwork meant. Their laughter echoed happily across the shore. The beach wasn't too crowded, and the water was warm enough for everyone to swim. Mr. Karim remembers teaching them how to float, while Mrs. Karim took pictures, her heart full of gratitude, of course. Later, as the sun went down, they walked slowly along the promenade, eating ice cream and watching the city lights turn on one by one. Can you imagine the feeling watching these pictures, knowing that all of their kids are now grown-ups, professionals with their own family, and who knows, feeling exactly the same feelings as they remember having when they were younger. So when everything feels just right, you have nothing but to say thank you. Their hearts are full enough with memories, love, and peace. The world outside may move too quickly, but inside their home, time feels beautifully still. Have you ever felt that feeling? Going back into pictures, maybe not a photo album, but in your cell phone. Sometimes Google Memories bring us this joy of, oh my God, 10 years have passed by. So don't forget, speakers, follow us. Look for us. Instagram, YouTube. You can find little videos on the vocabulary and the grammar in use in these stories. This was about the past, maybe the future, maybe the present. So click, subscribe, and comment. Interaction is the best possible way to keep connection and to grow together. See you soon, speakers.